So the manual transfer operations of this transfer switch. The scenario is you lose power, the generator cranks up and runs, but you do not receive generator power. At that point in time, you know an automation and the transfer switch has failed. So first things first, you are going to come out to the generator, open up the lid, and press the off button. Once you press the off button, the generator will turn off. At that point in time, you're going to go to your panel box inside the home and turn off all your branch circuits. That is all the circuits minus the main breaker up top. Once those are turned off, you're going to come out here to the transfer switch and locate your insulated transfer lever. From there, do you notice a yellow block with a black hole in the upper portion of the vertical slot? You're going to insert said lever into the hole. At that point, you notice you're on utility power. You're going to transfer this lever down to standby source, which is your generator. Once you transfer it, you're going to remove the lever. You can go back to your generator, press the auto button. It's going to sense your loss of power, crank up and run. Then from there, you can go back to your panel box inside your home and turn on each breaker one by one, and you will receive generator power in the home.